Hello there, you're welcome to Copyright Tips Monday. This is Kingsley, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 4 major pillars of conversion. If you're a copywriter, this is going to be an amazing journey for you, so make sure you watch this video to the end. If you get to know about these 4 major pillars of conversion, you're good to go in your copywriting business. And just like you know, every Monday we drop you copywriting tips that will help you become better with your copywriting skills. And today again, we're bringing you something that is very powerful. When you get to know them, it is going to add to your journey. So I really want you to pay attention, stay to the end of this video, okay? Yeah, to you who is coming to this channel for the very first time, I really want to say thank you for coming. Make sure you subscribe to this channel before you leave, because every Monday when we drop these tips, you need to come and see them. It will blow up your copywriting tips. And apart from that, every Friday we also bring you business ideas and tips, how you can start your own online businesses and make so much money for yourself. So if that sounds like something you would want to learn more about, I really want you to hit the subscribe button right now, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell icon so that each time we upload videos, YouTube will notify you first and you become part of our community. So do that right now as we move on. Thank you. And quickly before we move on, for anyone who has missed the previous videos we've dropped in this channel, you can still find them in this channel. Just look around, search, and you will find them on copywriting tips. Go to the playlist and you will find them there. You can follow from video 1 to get the picture of everything, and you will be so amazed because each of those videos are very powerful, and we're all doing it to help your journey of copywriting. So the 4 pillars of conversion in the sense that you have made sales. So when we marketers talk about conversion, what we mean is when sales has been made. When I talk about the pillars, I'm actually talking about 4 things you should put into consideration before you can actually sell. Selling is one of the best way to collect money from people without using a gun. So you just have to learn how to sell and sell alright. And one of the basic things you need to know is that copywriting is going to make you sell better, because copywriting covers the people's psychology and how they think and do things. Moving on to the 4 pillars of copywriting, number 1 is value. My dear, you need to give value. People don't have time for rubbish. People don't have time for what is not going to benefit them. You have to give out value, and one of the best way to do that is by giving out content on a consistent basis. Nurture these people about what your product is. Send it out on a daily. Let them see it. Let it appear on their faces all the time. That is one of the best way. Value in, value out, value up and down. People must know you for the value you provide in the marketplace. There are a lot of competitors out there, and you don't want to sleep, because once you do, another competitor is ready to grab them. So you must be valuable. Everything you put out must be value, and value simply means what you can do to add to the life of people, in the sense you can teach them something they don't know. They may even know it, but make them see it in another way, all tied down to the product you're presenting to them. That is value. Number 2 is trust. It is one of the strongest pillars of conversion. When people do not trust you, they are not going to buy from you. They are not going to convert, because doubt kills sales. I said doubt kills sales. So you're going to be able to generate a lot of ways in which people are going to trust you. The best way to gain the trust of people is to actually give out content, present yourself, show up on a daily basis. Just make sure you are there, and then do it always. Go beyond your business and know how people are doing. That's the best way to get people to trust you, and that's because your family people most times are not going to buy from you because they're family. But then the strangers you have on your email list, on your WhatsApp list, those are the people who are going to buy what you're selling. So make sure you build trust among them. All right, yes. So number 3 is very significant, and number 3 is copywriting. You must gain mastery over your skills of copywriting, because copywriting is the art of selling with words. So if you are able to master your copywriting skills, this pillar of conversion will be dusted for you. And that's because 80% of everything you're going to do before selling, you need copywriting. So you need to actually master your games of copywriting. I hope you're learning something new in this video. So do it to give it a thumbs up, share it to your WhatsApp status, your Facebook timeline, or anywhere you wish to put it. Thank you for doing so. As we move on to number 4. So number 4 is testimonies. Talking about the 4 pillars of conversion. The 4th one is testimonies. With testimonies, you can actually convert. What you say about yourself makes sense, yes, but what another person says about you makes more sense. So that is testimony. So be ready to collect all the testimonies of people who have been coming to your free trainings, because when it is time to actually sell, these are what you are going to use to actually bring in sales. So when we talk about the 4 pillars of conversion, what you should think about is, first of all, you're going to think about values. Second, you're going to think about trust, and then the third one, you're going to think about copywriting, and then the 4th one, you are actually going to think of testimonies. This 4, if you get around it, then you are good to go, and you are going to convert 80 to 90% of the time you put out your product there. I hope this video has been able to help you learn 1 or 2 things. If that be yes, I want you to drop a comment on this video right now. Tell me what you think about this video. If you have a question, ask me a question. I'm going to answer you in a jiffy. And then if you have a suggestion, just drop it in the comment section. I'm going to answer you immediately. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel if you have not subscribed, because every Monday, every Friday we come your way with amazing, powerful videos for you. The internet is a golden opportunity, and if you take it, you're going to see the possibilities. So just like I said to my students, I'm going to say to you, chase knowledge first. Thank you very much for watching. I remain Kingsley. See you next Monday.